Hello. Today I'm going to demonstrate the drill operations of Blendercam. So what the drill operation does is it finds the middle of the hole and drills to a certain depth, and basically that's it. It's one of the simplest operations, but not always used, so we can forget about what it does. And for me, it's this is x this is a y and z axis for a CNC that I'm building. So these are going to be pilot holes, and these are going to be truck screw holes, so they need to be aligned and everything. So I need the machine to do this, but it's going to drill pilot holes only. I'm going to use a drill press to get the right size because I don't have the right tool holder to drill just normal holes. Alright, so I have to start with object silhouette. If you try to go on operation drill, if you try to select this as a source, it's not gonna like it. There's a mistake in the source, so in the code. So what it wants is an object silhouette. So choose an object, make the silhouette. Alright, so the silhouette's done. So we're going to be working with I'm just going to take this stuff out. There we go. We're going to be working with this. So I'm going to choose the silhouette as a source. And let's see if I can make a drill operation. Alright, so what it did is it plunged and made the drill operation. Now the settings are, and they're very important because I broke a bit. It was too fast, and I didn't know why it was too fast. So you can choose to step down, and the step down is actually the pecking distance, or the pecking depth. So if you want to drill the whole way, then you can, but if you want to just drill a little bit, come back up, eject the tool, and then drill a little bit, come back up, eject the tool, this is the distance you want to do the pecking. So we're going to use 0.5 millimeters here, and my depth is going to be half a millimeter inside. And the other important setting, see, I had the feed rate to 2.5. That's actually the feed rate that it tries to go up, but my drill can't go up that fast. So it would be stopped by the machine, and this is the pecking speed. So I pecked 2 holes and broke the bit on the third hole. Of course, it was trying to plunge as fast as it could. So we're going to choose 0.5 meters for the 0.5 meters, and we're going to choose 0.25 of that. Okay, fine. And so we're going to do it again. Now we shouldn't see any difference, but it's going to peck at 0.5 millimeters. I'm going to show you the code. So whoa. Well, that's really too slow. So that didn't work here. Okay, let's try this again. Now, where is it? 0.3, yeah. So it's 25%. Yeah. It's going to be a little faster. Come on, you can do it. Don't know why it didn't change the code. Okay, so the code has been changed. Right, so the feed is 125 now, plunging, and going up is going to be 500. So these settings are important because earlier, or when I actually tried it, I plunged at the speed of the drill, which is probably 500. It's too fast for my tiny little drill. So thanks for watching. Again, the drill and also drills. Oops. It also drills like any hole, big or small, so it makes a pilot hole. So yeah, drill is perfect for some applications, and I hope you try it. Please, if you like this, as always, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if there's something that I can help you with. At the moment, I'm using a variety between Blendercam using 2.79 and 2.8 as I'm trying to help people to debug the 2.8, which is going to come out soon. So the drill scheme is not ready for that yet. Thanks for watching, and see you later.